welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to receive Bitcoin using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device. On the home screen, find Receive button and click on it. Once you are on the Receive section, find the Bitcoin from here. After that, you can click on Set Amount button and click on the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive and confirm it. Here you can save this screenshot, send it to the sender. After that, they can send you the amount of Bitcoin you have selected. Once the sender completes the transaction, you will receive the Bitcoin into your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet after the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. After the Bitcoin is received and confirmed, your wallet balance will update to reflect the incoming transaction. So that is how you can receive Bitcoin using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.